What is going on, guys? This is Stitch here with my first ever card break, or video I should say, for YouTube. Got 4 hangers from Target. Had very good luck with hangers this year, so going ahead and give these a rip and see what we get. First ever live or video rip of Series Update 2022 Topps. So let's see what we get. Hunter Green rookie. Got the flip. Mazzuti. Palmer. I'm going to go ahead and help myself out with this and go ahead and come back here and split this at the 87 card. Alrighty. Freddie Freeman, first Dodgers card. Bradish rookie. Baez, McGuire, Diaz, Cishek, May, Hilliard, Odor. Sideways, so that's Kluber. Is that Sulcer? Giants, Red Sox, Stevenson. We got Joe Smith. We got Cincinnati rookies, Kansas City rookies. And then we got a full coming up. Oh, we got a blue too. Ooh, is that Father's Day? Ooh, Desert Cool Off. And what do we have here? It doesn't look like a rookie. Oh, okay, so we got a blue Pete Alonso insert. Up behind it, we have another royal blue insert. It's going to be a pitcher for the Angels. Looks like Archie Bradley. And the Pete Alonso, as you can see, not numbered. Pretty cool, though. Colored Archie Bradley. And we have a foil behind that. Looks like it's going to be sideways. So we're looking at the infield crew for the Orioles. Stars of MLB, Carlos Correa, Matt Chapman, Brandon Crawford. There's a nice one, Bobby Witt Jr. Oh, there's another nice one. Being a Braves fan, that'll be a Hank Aaron die cut and a Suzuki rookie. So, both of those, pretty good cards. And Rob Refsnyder. Second half of the box. Profar, there's a Wander rookie debut. One of the big guys you're looking for. Cole Irwin, Luke Williams rookie. Corey Seager, Castro, Montero rookie. Male, Tepera, Vote, George Kirby rookie. Colin Moran, Nick Wittgren, Stephen Kwan rookie. Or I should say rookie debut. Cody, Amigi 3,000 hits. Goodrum, Meadows, Cruz, Kimbrel, Torpeno, Marte, a Lodolo rookie, Gonsolin, and Julio. That's correlation, Gonsolin, Julio. Every pack. Oscar Mercado and Martin Perez. So there was our first box. Go ahead and move these to the side. And let's go ahead and rip the second box. So yes, this is my first video I've ever done. I've been watching breaks online for probably 12 years now. Trying to start up something a little new. So figured I'd give this YouTube thing a go. Keep an eye out. I will be posting more about a upcoming event that I will be partaking in. More of a business venture, so more info on that to come. So just keep an eye out for that if you're watching the video. go ahead and split these like we did the last. So set those to the side for now. All right, Royce Lewis rookie debut. Senzel. There's a Pujols, one of his last ever cards as a Cardinal. Miranda rookie. Hesley, Torrens, Abrams rookie debut. Gutierrez, Voit. Joey Wentz, former Brave. Luplo, Hand, Martinez, Stroman, Trevino, Sands, Cisnero, Urshela, Gore rookie, Royals rookies, walk-off, Mercado rookie, LaCastro, Harrison, White Sox rookies, Stars Collide, Picture Perfect. All right, we got a gold coming up. Doolittle and Chad Green. So we got a gold. Let's see what we got. Looks to be a pitcher for the Mariners, and that's going to be Sergio Romo, not the Mariner we were looking for. Oh, we got another rainbow foil. Oh, it's a rookie. Let's see what we got here. The rookie looks to be a catcher. Brian Lavastida. A little off center, left to right, but not too bad for a rookie. We got stars of MLB, Reed Detmers, Yu Darvish, Brujan, Torkelson. He's another big guy in the set. Oh, that's a nice Bryce Harper die cut and a Hunter Green. So second half of the box. Second half of box 2 coming right now. Boxberger, Azokar, Simmons, Spears, Fraley, Romo again, Lodolo rookie debut, Givens, McGee. Oh, there's a Julio debut. Kirby debut, Smiley, Duggar, Ryan, Alex Dickerson for the Braves, Perez, Patino, Perdomo, Schwarber. There's a Torkelson rookie. Ottavino, Palacios, Paddock, Allen, Alcantara, Streckenrider, Fado, Arcia, Norwood, and Castillo. That is it for hanger number 2. On to the last 2. Yeah, some of the cards you can see behind me, and that one photo, that's my son. He graduates this year, so that's him in his senior jacket. But all these others that are behind here, I have actually recently pulled in the last week or so. So good things have been coming out of these hangers. So on to box number 3. Well, it doesn't look like we have a die cut in this one, but it does look like we've got a blue. So second half, we're on over there. Alrighty. Mats, Brush debut, Chassin, Tapia, Ohtani 100 career home runs, Garrett, Lamet, Stallings, Green rookie, Cortez, Bradish rookie, Baez, McGuire, Diaz, Chisek, May, Hilliard, Odor, Fulmer, Hernandez, Japan Legends Reunite, Logan Webb, Guardians rookies, Manny Pena, Trident, Daniel Norris, Simmer. What we got here? Nothing special. Looks like MJ Mendez debut, and we got a blue. Let's see what we're working with. Alrighty, so we got some fingers. It's an outfielder. Oh, okay, there we go. Bryce Harper blue All-Star game. Not numbered. Still pretty cool. 2 of those blues are pretty good picks. Chroma McCutcheon, Musgrove, Green Stars, Correa Stars, Chapman Stars, Crawford Stars, and we've got a Royce Lewis Black Gold rookie and a George Kirby 87 rookie. That was the first half of the box. Here goes the second. We got Romo, Lodolo debut, Givens, McGee, Julio debut, Ref Snyder, Profar, Franco debut, Rojas, Irwin, Perez, Pinto, Perdomo, Schwarber, Torkelson rookie, so that's 2 of those. Tepera, Vogt, Kirby rookie, Moran, Whitgren, Strickenrider, Afedo rookie, Arcia, Norwood, Castillo rookie, Meadows, Cruz, Kimbrel, Torpino, and Marte. That's to round out box number 3. So like I said, I've been collecting probably for 25 years, been watching YouTube videos for, 10 to 12. So figured if I rip it, why not put it on the internet? So see if we can get any views on this. Like, comment, follow, all be great. So everybody knows the thing. Hit the little thumbs up if you like it, and leave feedback if you have some. Always open to, constructive criticism. Alrighty, well, I'm going to go ahead and do this back half since we're going to start out with a Wander debut. Rojas, Irwin, Williams, rookie, Seager, Castillo, Montero. And flip these. We got a Maley, Fiverson, Thomas debut, Terpa, Vogt, Kirby rookie, Moran, Whitgren, Quan debut, Colome, Cody, Miggy 3000, Goodrum, Cruz, Kimbrel, Torpino, Marte, Lodolo rookie, Gonsolin, and who's after Gonsolin, guys? That's Julio. I believe we hit 2 out of the 4 hangers, so that's pretty good numbers. Mercado, Perez, and Stripling. All right, let's see if we get anything banging out of this, because it's the first half of the 4th box. So this is going to be it for this break. Follow along, guys. As I get more, I will rip and post more online. So hopefully you like the content. Green, rookie. Thilbar. Muzzati, rookie. Archer. Palmer, rookie. Canner-Falefa. Miranda, rookie. Gerchik, Abreu, Philly Phenoms, Malley, Hudson, Arias debut, Frazier, Casali, Brujan debut, Rodriguez, Clevenger. Turn these the right way. Don't want to peek. Green, Bummer, A's rookies, Cubs rookies, Syndergaard, Guardians of the Central, Cruz debut, Quintana. Ooh, guys, we got a blue, black, gold coming up. Presley. Let's see which way we're going with this. Up. Looks like we have a shortstop. Let's see who it is. Bo Bichette. How about that? And another blue right behind it. Oh, it's going to be upside down. And we're looking at a rookie. I thought I peeked and saw it was an Arizona Diamondback, so let's take a look. Alek Thomas. That is a nice one. Our Bo Blue right here. Not numbered, but 3 blues out of 4 boxes. Not bad. Thomas. Oh, and we got a rainbow foil as well. 3 color out of this 1 box. That's crazy. Oh, is that Seattle? Oh, I think that's the Seattle logo, guys. I think that is. It'll probably be my luck, and it'll be our boy, Sergio Romo. And would you look at there, it's Stricken Rider. Wrong Mariner. Boo. Stars of MLB India. Baz. There's a Julio Stars. That one looks pretty clean, so we'll sleeve that one up. Baez. We got a die cut of Warren Spahn and a 87 Derek Jeter. So that's it for this break, guys. I appreciate you watching. Comment, like, follow, all the above, and we will catch you next time. Thanks.